Hey guys, it is Mitch from the KAM fam, and we're cooking with the KAM fam, but we're inside right now. And guess what, guys? We are gonna stay inside. So I know some of you have been enjoying our Cooking with the KAM fam Blackstone series, but today we're going to the oven. So let's go ahead and we're gonna fire up the oven, 350 to preheat. And while we preheat that, I'm gonna go start getting stuff ready. So stick around, you don't want to miss out on this delicious meal. All right guys, here's a preview of all the stuff we're using. So first off, it's time to chop an onion. All right, so our onion's chopped. So now let's start putting things together and let's see what happens. All right guys, so we're gonna start off with 2 cups of rice. We're gonna put it in this pan. This is definitely an easy recipe. It's a first time recipe for the KAM pan, but this is gonna be delicious. So we're gonna get our 2 cups of rice. So there's 1 and 2. So 2 cups of rice, guys. We're going exactly because I'm not a huge rice fan, but the rice is gonna work. Next up, we got some chopped mushrooms. We're gonna dump that in. And then that onion that we chopped up, we're gonna dump that. So this is about a half an onion. All right guys, next up, we are gonna drop in a can of French onion soup and 2 cans of beef consomme. So we're gonna dump that in. Let's see. Gotta love a pop top. So we're gonna put that French onion in there. Now, our beef consomme is not a pop top. So we're gonna have to hit it up with a can opener. Just do a little twist on each side. And that way you can drain that thing out. If you only do one side, you're not gonna let the pressure out. And it's not gonna work. So let's dump that in. So we are just putting that all over. And let's get the other can going. Ooh, that is smelling good already. You can just smell the flavor. Do y'all see the flavor? Ooh, looking perfect. All right, next we're gonna get a little bit of water in the can to put it in. So we got a little bit of water just to get the rest of that good French onion out of the can. And now we're just gonna do a little mixy mix. So we're gonna get that rice, the onions, the mushrooms, and all of that sauce mixed together. Make sure everything's evened out. It's looking good. So now, what are we gonna put in next, guys? The beef, because that's what's for dinner. All right, coming up next, we're gonna drop the meat in. All right, guys, before we drop the meat in though, we're gonna cut up a stick of butter, because the butter is gonna help out the rice. So we are gonna cut the butter, and we're just dropping little butter pads all over in here. So butter, 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 and everybody enjoys some butter. So we're just dropping them in as they go. We'll cut all these up. And yes, this knife might be a little excessive for butter, but I used it to cut the onion. So why dirty another dish, right? But I don't do the dishes, so who cares? All right, so we have all of our butter in there. And we pull this spoon out. So butter everywhere, looking good. All right, next up, guys, we're gonna hit it with some Parmesan cheese. So this is gonna have lots of flavors in it. Not a ton, just to give it a little coating. All right, so now it is time for the beef. All right, guys, so now we have our cube steak, which we're gonna put in this. So let's go ahead and unwrap these up quick. And we're gonna season our cube steak with just a little bit of salt and pepper. Some Greek seasoning, because we love Greek seasoning. Yes, Scout, I know you want some too, don't you? And some garlic powder. So go ahead, drop some garlic powder on these as well. And this is gonna be deliciousness. So we are gonna have to come back and hit up some seasoning on the rest of them, but I'm just gonna lay these in and we're gonna try to make it into a puzzle. So let me come back here so we can try to get all of our seasoning of everything. So I'm gonna hit this up with just a little bit more because I like to have all my meat seasoned. So that Greek, the garlic, yes, Scout is salivating over how good this smells, guys. So you can tell the dog can smell it already. That means it's delicious. All right, so let me go ahead and we're gonna drop one in here. Drop one in here, and you know what? We probably should just turn this bad boy right like that. Oh man, this is looking good. So I don't know about you guys, this looks great. So last thing we're gonna do, we're gonna hit it up with some more Parmesan cheese on the top of this meat. So we got that seasoning in there. All right, so next up, we're gonna wrap this thing up with some tin foil and get it in the oven, so stay tuned. All right, so we got our aluminum foil. We're gonna drop on here. We're gonna put this thing in the oven, guys. Let it cook and stick around for the deliciousness. And I'm gonna clean up this mess. So we'll see y'all in a bit. All right, guys, so we have that thing in the oven. We're gonna let it cook for about 50 minutes on 350, and then we're gonna see what it looks like and take that foil off. All right, guys, we've been in for 50 minutes. So we're gonna pull this thing out and we're gonna take a look, and I'm gonna turn that timer off so we are not getting buzzed. But let's see what this thing looks like. So sit tight. All right, guys, so we're gonna pull this foil off and try not to get burned in the process. Whew. See that steam, deliciousness, and this thing is not done, but it's looking pretty good. So we are now gonna take this thing off of the tin foil. We're gonna put it back in the oven for 20 minutes, and then we're gonna see how well it's done. So hopefully this will soak up some of that juice, the rice will get cooked up. You do not wanna miss out on this. It smells amazing, guys. So stay tuned. You wanna see the final product. All right, guys, so that is 20 minutes uncovered. Let's take a look. Ooh. So I'm gonna pull this out a little bit so you guys can see it. Smell, this is delicious, guys. Oh man, that's looking good. Let's pull it out for a closer look, so sit tight. All right, guys, so the goal of this is for most of the liquid to be absorbed, which this is actually looking pretty absorbed, so this thing might be done. Can y'all see that? Just nice. That rice is all mixed in. Most of our liquid is absorbed, so I think this thing might be ready to eat. So sit tight. We're gonna get a plate and we're gonna tell you what we think. This smells delicious.
Hey y'all. This food is piping hot, but it smells delicious. I got a little bit of everything in one bite. I did not make my own plate, so don't judge. It's hot. It's got a lot of flavor.
How many thumbs up? Oh my god.
Oh, did you try it? You need some ketchup? I would say 1.5 thumbs up. I mean, it's good. I feel like it's missing something. The meat flavor, maybe? A little more seasoning on the meat, maybe?
You put a lot of seasoning on.
I show up.
That is very good.
You serve her, she serves you.
Oh.
I told you it's hot.
Oh. Very hot. So guys, like you heard earlier, I'm not a rice fan, but I can eat this rice.
It's not dry.
I could watch your video camera all day.
Right, so overall, it's pretty good. I don't know, like, put a lot of seasoning on the meat, but I guess I need to season more. But overall, it's a winner. So guys, hopefully you've enjoyed this edition of Cooking with the KAM Fam indoors.
Oh, girls, do you want a bite?
Yeah. I was the cameraman the whole time. I know I did a great job, so comment down below that I did a great job.
Or do we need a new cameraman?
No, I'm great.
No, I want to be the cameraman.
Oh, wow. Nothing would get recorded.
Oh, hot.
I'm waiting for you.
Well, this is super good.
You only get one bite. You gotta go play. Kevin, what did you think?
It's amazing. I would do.
Oh, she's getting her thumbs up ready.
2 thumbs.
2 thumbs up. I love it. So say bye.